How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing a new axle back exhaust on this 2020 Subaru WRX. I'm joined here with my buddy Josh. We're going to do it together. We're just going to have you guys follow along with us and be taken apart and put it all back together. So stay tuned. Let's get into it.
So here's how it's gonna kind of go down. You got two bolts over here, and you got two hangers. Easy. Josh has the same exact setup over there, and he's gonna grab his perspective also. So we're just gonna set these cameras up, talk to you as we go along. The only things you need, you got 14 and 14. So here's what's going down. Josh already has that side going on quite nicely. Don't forget your gasket's a new hardware, dog.
Yeah, I'm just putting it on the hoop.
And we have this one, this limp in it. But here's what they actually kind of look like. Just some muffler details.
Oh, CNT racing on the side.
Oh, sick.
Never heard of that.
Never heard of it, but you know, just some good memes. Just some good memes. I'm letting my hangers soak a little bit, but no, good memes.
What do you mean soak? You don't want to talk. I don't think it's enough.
Oh, nice. All right. This is what we're dealing with. Suitcase. Two of those carry-ons. And this is what the new one's gonna look like. I'm pretty sure once you get it somewhat bolted down, you can angle it a little bit better. So yeah, you can. Yeah, it goes down a little bit. Beautiful. You can really hear that turbo, dude.
I know. Oh.
How was that, buddy?
That was good.
It was a pretty nice drive by. Ugh.
That was just third gear, my guy.
You popping?
Really?
Yeah, you just doing some popping.
It was like popcorn?
When you were driving up to the corner, I wasn't looking, and then I looked up, and it was like.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty guys, so it's a couple days later after I installed this exhaust, and so far so good. Really pleased with it. Has a little bit of pops and bangs, which everyone loves, and I guess today I'm just going to be closing out this video since I'm just now editing it. So hope you guys had a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out a bunch. I got 2 videos popping up right now for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.